And immediately I was kind of like, and so I backed away because I thought if I don't mess with Mr. Snake, he won't mess with me. And I changed directions and changed course. 2 hours later, when I sat down and I thought about that situation, what do you think happened to me? That anxiety returned. I got a little bit of, notice rapid breathing again, which I thought was interesting. The snake isn't here. I was sitting comfortably in my home. That's the power of the thoughts and emotions that we have. And so it's important that we have, and so what are emotions anyway? I love the cognitive appraisal theory's definition of emotions. They say that emotions are simply judgments that you make about whether or not a situation is meeting your expectations. I love that definition because it's simple. And as you think about it, okay, if I'm happy, then this obviously either met or exceeded my expectations. If I'm frustrated, then clearly not. And so as you think about emotions and what they are, we're going to talk about how important they are in the work that you do every day and in general, the life that you create for yourself. So for me, I think about the power of emotions, and I think about the fact that emotions are involved in every aspect of our lives. How many of you would say that you are a logical decision maker? Raise your hand. Okay, good number of you. How many would say you are an emotional decision maker? Raise your hand. Okay, a few. So I want to tell you a little story. There was a gentleman who experienced a traumatic brain injury. And in this traumatic brain injury, his emotional brain, which is what we call the amygdala,